It's another math day here with teacher Jenny. Join me for another topic, and this time we are now going to talk about converting degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds. First, we have 63.75 degrees. We wish to convert that one into degrees, minutes, and seconds. So we have to bear in mind the different unit of conversion. We have 1 degree that's equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute that's equal to 60 seconds. So 63.75 degrees, we are going to separate the decimal part to the whole number part, because we can only convert the degree there into minutes if we have a decimal part of the degree. So we have 63 degree plus 0.75 degrees. We wish to convert that one into minutes. So since we have a degree unit here, so degree must be at the bottom part, and the goal unit, which is the minute, will be at the top. So we have the unit conversion, which is 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 degree. So multiplying 0.75 degrees, or 0.75 and 60, because we will be canceling the degree unit in there, so the result of that one will be 63 degrees plus 0.75 times 60 is 22.5 minutes. So again, we have a decimal part on the minute part, so that means to say we have a second part of that one. So separating, so we have 63 degrees plus we have 22 minutes plus 0.5 minute, converting that one to a seconds. We have the minute unit here, so we have to put the minute unit at the bottom part, while the second unit at the numerator part. So using the conversion, we have now 60 seconds is equivalent to 1 minute. So multiplying that one again, so we have now the result as 63 degrees plus 22 minutes plus 0.5 times 60, that will be equal to 30 seconds. So getting rid of the plus symbol in there, so we have now the equivalent degree, minute, and seconds of this as 63 degrees, 22 minutes, and 30 seconds. So let's now move to the next one. We have negative 317.06 degrees. So again, we have a point part here, and we have a negative on the angle. So we disregard the negative first, because that only shows the direction of the movement of the terminal side of your angle from the zero. So we have from the 0 degrees, we have 317 will be separated from the decimal part. So we have plus 0.06 degrees. We convert the degree into minutes, so we have that one as degree will be at the bottom part while minute will be at the top. And then 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes. So we have our negative and then 317 degrees. That's plus 0.06 times 60. That will be equal to 3.6 minutes. And then we try to convert the decimal part of the minute there into the seconds. We have 317 degrees plus 3 minutes plus 0.6 minute, converting that one into seconds. So we have minute at the bottom part, while second will be at the top. We have 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So multiplying that part again, we have negative and then 317 degrees plus 3 minutes and plus 36 seconds. So omitting now our plus sign here, we have now a negative 317 degrees, 3 minutes, and 36 seconds. So let's go to the last one. We have 200.325 degrees. Again, separating our 200, the whole number, 200 degrees, from the decimal part of the degrees, and then convert the degrees into minutes. So we have that as 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes. So we have now 200 degrees plus 0.325 times 60. That is equivalent to 19.5 minutes. And then we have 200 degrees plus 19. We have decimal part there, so separate again. Plus 0.5 minute. Convert that into seconds. We have minute at the bottom part. We have 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. And then we try to multiply that one. We have the result as 200 degrees plus 19 minutes plus 0.5 times 60 is 30 seconds. Getting rid of the plus symbol there, so we have now 200 degrees, 19 minutes, and 30 seconds. So that is how you convert your degrees measure to a degree, minute, and second measure of the angle. So once again, this is your teacher Jenny saying good luck and keep on practicing. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this video. And see you on my next video.